Welcome to Safe and Trusted Canada. In this video tutorial, we're going to look at the more options available on the site. So under more options, you will find credentials. These options allow businesses to provide additional information that may help consumers make informed decisions. Any business can provide information about their credentials. It should be remembered that Safe and Trusted Canada does not accredit, approve, recommend, endorse, or validate any business. Credentials are provided for information purposes only and are designed to help consumers gather information in one convenient location. Consumers should always verify any information that is important to their purchasing decision. And, as always, the final decision remains between the consumer and the business.